Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about Flutter Slidable. Now we add this package to PubSpeak YAML. Then we open main.dart, update my homepage, update scaffold, and now we add variable controller, slidable controller, write this, and we add single ticker provider state mixin, and we add late. Then we add body to scaffold. Next we add widget center child, add widget slidable, and we add parameter key, add value key 0. Then we add parameter start action pane, motion, we add scroll motion, then children, and we add demisable, pane, and now we add size the box, and now we add list tile, add parameter title, add widget text, slide me, save. Then we add slidable action, add background color, right color 0, FFF, FE, 4A, 4, 9. Then we add foreground color, right colors white. Next we add icon, right icons dot delete, and we add label delete. Then we add slidable action, right value, add background color, right color 0, FF to 1, B7, CA, add foreground color, right colors white. Then we add icons dot share, add label share, save, hot restart. Then we add parameter and action pane. Add action pane. Motion we add scroll motion. Then we add children. Add slidable action. And we add controller dot open and action pane. And then we add flags to add background color, right color, FF7 BC043, foreground color, right color, white. Then we add icon, right icons dot archive. Then we add label, right archive, save, hot restart. Add controller. And then we add slidable action, right value, add controller dot close. Then we add background color, right color, 0392 CF. Add foreground color, add color white, add icon, add icons, save, write label, save. Now we select hot restart. That's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.